Hi, in this tutorial you'll learn how to make a screen recording for a PC or for a Mac using the website Screencast-O-Matic. What you need to do is log on to the website. You'll need to create a free account. It's very easy to do with a Gmail account, or you can use another email address. After that, it'll bring up your dashboard and you'll want to click on Start Recorder. When you start Recorder, it's going to ask for permission. You'll click Allow, and then it's going to launch the recorder. It might take a second. Once it launches the recorder, you'll see that it's going to bring up a pop-up that's going to ask you how much of the screen you want to record, which you can adjust, and it's going to ask you if you want to record the screen, your webcam, or both. For Language Panda, it's sufficient to just record the screen. From there, when you're ready, you click on Record. It's going to give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then it's going to start recording your screen. Be sure to turn off your notifications so that you don't have pop-ups during your video. When you're finished, you'll click on a button that appears right around here that says Done. It's going to give you a couple of different options. You can save your video as a video file, you can save it to their website, or you can upload it directly to YouTube. I hope this tutorial helps you so that you can get started making screen recording videos for your Language Panda project. Thanks!